There's my doggy Bella. She's Santa's little helper. Let's go find Buddy and Meebles. Buddy, Meebles, where are... Oh! Meebles is hanging upside down on a candy cane, and there's Buddy. What are they holding? Whoa, look what Meebles is falling from. Maybe it's a letter. Okay, let's open it up, okay, guys? They're just so silly. Okay, here's the letter. Dear Meebles and your YouTube subscribers, I want to thank you so much for making videos of Meebles and I, Buddy. Also, I want to say thank you to everyone that watches you and comments on your YouTube channel. It really makes us elves feel so special. I have made friends with many of the other elves of your subscribers, and boy, they really have some funny and sweet things to say about your subscribers. Thanks again, and don't forget to be very good because we're watching you. Love always, Buddy. Aw, and he drew a little snowflake. Buddy, that was so sweet of you. Meebles. What? She's just being silly today, isn't she? Well, if you like this video, don't forget to like it, and please subscribe to my channel. I put out elf videos a lot because they're my favorite thing. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys. And wasn't it so nice of them to write us a letter? Aw, I love you too.